Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 6. Look dear students, here our today's topic is Assignment 3 and this is our lecture number 8. Okay dear students, now please follow the board. Look dear students, here we are going to discuss about chapter 3 and there you will learn, you will follow this topic. Okay, look here about this assignment topic. I am going to read this. Make a poster highlighting the importance of the Sundarbans as a part of World Heritage Site declared by UNESCO. Dear students, look, when you are going to do this assignment, you can take help from lesson 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 from chapter 3. Okay, now we are going to discuss about its instruction. Okay, look here, various information and pictures of the Sundarbans should be used in the presentation. Okay, various information and pictures of the Sundarbans should be used in the presentation. Then look here, number 2, pictures can be drawn by hand or collected from any other sources. Then number 3, importance of the Sundarbans can be presented in the poster in bullet points. Look dear students, now I am going to say about assessment criteria. Dear students, look here, excellent, very good, good and need to progress. Okay, in these criteria you have to follow this excellent. Okay, the rules of excellent. Look here, if you want to get this excellent, then you have to follow these rules. What are they? First of all, presenting the relevant picture appropriately. Then number 2, information and concept are consistent with the content. Then number 3, noticeable individuality and creativity in writing. Okay dear students, like this, if you follow these rules, then you will get excellent mark. Okay, then look, I am going to say about the assignment. Here you have to make a poster highlighting the importance of the Sundarbans as a part of World Heritage Site declared by UNESCO. Okay, now I am going to say about this. Dear students, look here, you have to write at first the title name. Okay, and then you will start like this way. Dear students, listen to me. Here I am going to give you only some idea, but you have to write this by using your own creativity. Okay, look here, a World Heritage Site is a landmark or area with legal protection by an international convention administered by the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organizations. Okay, UNESCO. Look here, World Heritage Sites are designated by UNESCO for having cultural, historical, scientific or other form of significance. The sites are judged to contain cultural and natural heritage around the world considered to be of outstanding value to humanity. So like this you can introduce your assignment. Okay, then you will write some sentences. Okay, like you can write here, to be selected, a World Heritage Site must be a somehow unique landmark which is geographically and historically identifiable and has special cultural or physical significance. For example, World Heritage Site must be sorry, I'm going to say once again. For example, World Heritage Sites might be ancient ruins or historical structures, buildings, cities, deserts, forests, islands, lakes, monuments, mountains, and wilderness areas. Okay. Then look, you can write a World Heritage Site may signify a remarkable accomplishment of humanity and serve as evidence of our intellectual history on the planet, or it might be a place of great natural beauty. Then you can write it like this way, a poster highlighting the importance of the Sundarbans as part of the UNESCO World Heritage Site is given below. Okay, then you will write the description, like you can write the Sundarbans plays an important role in the economy of the southwestern region of Bangladesh as well as in the national economy. Okay, then you can write it is the single largest source of forest product in the country. The forest provides raw materials for wood-based industries in addition to traditional forest product like timber, fuel wood, pulpwood, etc. Okay, dear students, listen here. You have to after attach the pictures beside the description. Okay, look, the Sundarbans, then you can write the Sundarbans flora is characterized by the abundance of Sundari, Gawa, Goran and Kaura, Golpata, all of which occur prominently throughout the area. Okay, then you can write the Sundarbans are an important habitat for the Royal Bengal tiger. The forest also provides habitat for small wild cats such as the jungle cat, fishing cat, then leopard cat, spotted deer, crocodile, monkey, etc. So like this way you can finish your assignment, and of course you have to attach the picture, okay, behind this beside this description. Okay, so dear students, now I am going to say when will you submit this assignment. Okay, look here dear students, you have to submit this on 25th September. Okay, your submission date. So dear students, you have to submit this in this date. Okay, so dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. See you again in our next class. Allah Hafiz.